morning. Hello. How's your game?
I think it should be okay. I'm gonna test it though.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh, you're. Oh.
Test.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it's
Are you trying to record something?
I'm trying to record a present for Subaru senpai.
Ah. Oh, so that's why you said you have a present for her. Maybe we shouldn't record your voice here.
Let me listen to it. You want to record one, Anya?
I don't have a tape though.
I have one. You can record one.
Oh.
Sexy Anya voice.
Sexy Anya voice? Okay. What if someone else records for you instead of recording it alone? You want me to record it for you?
Oni-chan, 今日は頑張ってね。大好き。チュッ。へ、はい、欲しちゃうぞ。ザーコ。
Oh, it cut off.
Okay, I can do it one more time. I'll do it faster.
Okay.
お兄ちゃん、今日は頑張ってね。大好き。チュッ。へ、はい、欲しちゃうぞ。ザーコ。
Okay.
お兄ちゃん、今日は。お兄ちゃん、dang it. Okay, one more time.
Okay.
I'll say お姉ちゃん。お姉ちゃん、今日は頑張ってね。大好き。チュッ。へ、はい、欲しちゃうぞ。ザーコ。
Okay.
お姉ちゃん、今日は頑張ってね。大好き。チュッ。へ、はい、欲しちゃうぞ。ザーコ。
That sounded good. That sounded good. Yippee!
Okay.
Yeah, I think you can give it like a name as well.
Record you.
I don't know what to say though. Oh wait, since Aki-senpai was the one who gave me a service, I feel like I should say something to her. She's gonna be opening a pie restaurant and she gave us pumpkin pies. What if I say, please cook for me forever? That would be so good.
Do it.
Yeah. Oh my god. Wait, how do you say this in Japanese? Hold on, I'm gonna be thinking.
One eternity later.
Okay, I'm ready. Aki senpai, 今日は最高に楽しかったよ。毎日俺にパイを作ってほしいな。なんちゃって。
Nice.
Nice.
Okay, let's listen.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
アキ先輩、今日は最高に楽しかったよ。毎日俺にパイを作ってほしいな。なんちゃって。
Okay. Okay, yeah, I think that should be good. No!